It's in the top right. I think that's
This
October.
is August.
Oh, August. I never mind.
August, yeah.
And that means this is October, September to October 31st.
Yeah, pretty sweet.
November's will come in about a couple weeks or so, but
See, pretty sweet. In August we did, I think, like 200,000
not bad
in
at
business.
all.
Yeah.
But just to
200,000.
kind of help make ends meet, if we could get a loan to kind of have a little different cash flow for sure.
Well, yeah, like we want to grow, you know, so.
Absolutely.
And then this is September, we did 172. This one. And then October we did 210.
Got it.
Nice. So, you think we're gonna get a loan?
I mean, with this kind of income, as far as I think it's reasonable.
Because we keep reinvesting more, get more.
Well, let's just balance things in your favor if we can do this for sure. All right, so looking for about 100,000 roughly. And he's likely going to contact you. Is it? I get the H mixed up with the T. So